If you went up to a keyboard enthusiast and asked them what their favorite sounding keyboard is, chances are they might have said the Jelly Epoch. But what was so special about this one board? What made the sound so attractive to these massive audiences? Millions of people spread across multiple social media platforms. The thin foam used between the PCB and switches, known as PE foam, was the secret ingredient that many could not find. Although this foam probably has been implemented in the past, the Jelly Epoch is one of the reasons this foam has become so popularized. Builders of this keyboard found that not including this paper-thin foam caused their boards to lose the much-desired Jelly Epoch sound profile, and caused them to become much more muted. From this, Reddit user u/mavsmcfc decided to put this seemingly inconspicuous foam in his board, and found that it created the marbly popping sound that many enthusiasts were chasing after. There's not too much information out about this mod at the moment, but to be safe, the general consensus is that you should get the ESD protected variant of this foam to protect the PCB from the small chance of accidental breaking. You will also want to get the foam that is around 0.5 millimeters thick at most, as thicker foam may give you trouble when applying the mod. When it comes to performing the mod itself, the process is quite simple. My friends recommended that I make cutouts for stabilizers before installing the foam, but I forgot and it worked out very well for me. Just cut the foam to the size of the PCB, then insert switches in, and you will be able to make the cutouts afterwards. I tried cutting the foam first as well, but it ended up being a giant pain, so I just decided to keep cutting it after I assembled all the parts. Finally, here's a sound comparison of a personal board before and after the mod, using the same parts. Although this mod has a pretty big effect on the sound of a board, I feel like having one board with the mod is enough. The way that the mod made basically any switcher board sound similar really did not appeal to me. If you liked this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and have a nice day.